Today we are going to make a six-sided snowflake. Here's another one. I like how they all turn out different. I even made this one. Okay, so you'll need paper. Copy paper is fine. And I have made a template that is available as well. It is a circle that is made with dotted lines and then diagonal lines that will show you where to fold on it. And you will need a pair of scissors. So first thing that you do is you fold your paper in half with the dotted side out so that you can see where to fold as you go. Then fold that in half. And if I move this close, you can kind of see how there's like 3 sections there. And that's that way on the other side too. I don't know what I got on my paper. Okay. Then start with the folded side of your paper. Like, see that edge is folded? I just find that it's easier if I fold away from that edge. It seems to keep the paper from wrinkling funny. So if you can see where I folded it, it lines up like that. Okay, and then flip it over and fold it, lining up your edges going the other direction. I don't know if the camera will focus on the line. Okay. Oh, let me show you. See how it kind of makes a zigzag when you fold it like that, right? Okay, so take your scissors and cut off along this dotted line of your circle, and you'll get rid of that. Now your snowflake will be all of this in here, and if you want it to have a really dramatic edge to it, then you'll cut that like that, and then cut some other random shapes in there. Make sure that you don't cut all the way across, because if you cut all the way across here, it will ruin your snowflake. It'll just cut all of that off of your snowflake. It won't be attached. So don't cut all the way. Just cut into it a little bit. And I really just do random shapes. Some people like to draw what they're going to cut out ahead of time. You can. Or you can just go for it. So the most exciting part is when you get to open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Oops. There we go. We've got 6 sides on our snowflake. And if you're at all interested in why snowflakes have 6 sides, be sure to look it up online. There's some great TED-Ed videos as well as others. But there it is. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.